Hi friends, welcome back everyone to my channel. This is Prince once again here. So friends, today I am super duper excited reason because I am trading the last expiry of this calendar year. 2022 was, I should say, really a roller coaster ride with all ups and downs. You would have seen my journey as well. We were in very good profits in the month of February. Then after the war broke out, then there's a lot of increase in VIX, and then we had continuous losses again. Then the curve went up. So it was really a nice roller coaster ride, and also we are ending this calendar year with a bang. So in the starting itself, I had given cautious to everyone because there is going to be a lot of rollovers happening this particular expiry. Many of them who had taken hedges, you know that many of them trade long term with the December expiry. So this is the last expiry of the year, the last expiry of the month as well, December. So we can expect a lot of volatility. But to be frank, there was nothing much which happened today. There was slight bit of spikes, so I'll explain to you what all happened. And in this video, I'll explain to you how I did the adjustments, how I did the analysis, most importantly, how that I found out the levels for today, and accordingly, I took my bullish and bearish view as well of the market. So all that you're going to learn in this video. And if you're not subscribed to this channel till now, I recommend you to please press the subscribe button and also the like button. And in case if you want to get more study content from me, you can also join my Telegram channel. It's available on my in the description of this video. You can just click on the Telegram link and join the Telegram group as well. Okay, so without wasting much time, I'll just take you to today's trade. Okay, so today there was a slight gap down, but nevertheless it was not much of a panic, not much of a worry, because it was very slight. And also initially there was increase in VIX, but then it helped us because the premiums also were good enough. Okay, so looking into the open interest. So why do I look into the open interest? To get an initial idea as to where the majority of the people are trading. So this is very much important to initially get the range for the day. So that is why I look into the open interest. So I can see that apart from the ATM levels, okay, so the call change is higher than the put change. So this is one thing which you have to keep in mind. So we can expect that the bank nifty to go down. This is what the initial, but also it can happen because of the gap down which has happened. Okay, so I'm just going to mark the level. So as you can see, 42,700 had a very good tower. So that is going to be one level which I am going to mark. And when it comes to the lower level, okay, so you can see there is a good bounce back happening, which a good bounce which has happened from our levels. Okay, so if you look into the previous day as well, you can see at 42,700 there was a good support which was taken initially. Okay, so that is going to act as a resistance for us today. Okay, so you can see end of the day also it has bounced back from that level. So this 42,700 will be acting as a very good resistance for us. So that is going to be the area which I have marked. And 42,500, obviously you can see bank nifty has not broken that level. It's also a good psychological figure. So 200 points initially to start off is going to be the range for the day. If bank nifty continues to trade in this region, then it is going to be completely non-directional, and if it breaks these level, I will accordingly take my positions into bullish and bearish. Okay, so let's see how it went all about. And okay, so as you can see, bank nifty is moving in the range and it is consolidating. So I started taking my position slowly, step by step, but you can observe that the put value is much higher than the call value, and it is not good for us because it's almost biased. So in case if there is any movement going down, then it will really trouble us because put value is already much higher. Okay, so you can see almost 50 rupees difference, almost you can say 50% variation is there between the call and the put. Nevertheless, we can take a risk, not a problem, because it's an expiry day. Theta will help us. Okay, so now you can see the levels which I had marked. It is trying to take support at this level, and it has not broken that level. You can see it is just trying to retrace back, and I have slowly started adding positions little by little. Also, I'm taking hedge because I can add more quantity. So I'm slowly adding my positions. Okay, so this is what I was talking about, friends. Time is close to 10 o'clock now, and I'm slowly adding my positions because bank nifty is moving in a range. Okay, and we are with a profit of around 20,000 as of now. So the levels which I spoke about, you can see that two times it is again bounced back from this level at 42,500 two times. Again it is bouncing back. So this is why, as I told you initially, we need to find the range for the day, and it will really help us in deciding how we should take our trade, how should we have the bias. And you can see exactly what has happened today as well. Two times it has bounced back, and I have added my positions slowly, step by step. I kept on adding my positions, and we're sitting at a very decent profit of around 40,000 as of now. Okay, so Bank Nifty again, time is close to 10:25, and again Bank Nifty is continuously moving sideways. It's good for us. The two levels which I told you, which had a good bounce, and we are sitting with a decent profit of around 50,000 rupees. And we just have to patiently wait for this level, any of these levels to break out. And you know that if at all it's almost close to 10:30, and if at all Bank Nifty is moving sideways, then we can expect a good breakout in any other direction. So we just have to wait carefully. Okay, so now I can see that it is just trying to go up as well, apart from the slight small movements which was there. It is trying to pick up, and we're sitting with a decent profit of around 70,000 as of now. Okay, so now time is close to 11 o'clock, and this is where I was getting afraid. As I told you, the big movements started to happen. Sudden the spikes which I was expecting from the start itself started to happen around after 10:30. The spikes started to happen. Okay, so there was three continuous. Okay, this is one spike which happened. This movement also, as you can see, after the spike it has reversed back also. It pinched me a bit in this position because my call stop losses got hit. The sudden movement which happened at this particular time, the 10:30, many of them, I think, during this range got their stop losses hit. Okay, so since Bank Nifty has reversed from this position, I am going to move my range a little more closer, because expiry day the premiums are very less and we can't keep it very far. So I am moving my premiums also, my range also, a little bit nearer. Okay, and with respect to my positions, let me just show you. I'll just show you my positions. Okay, so this level you can see twice it has taken resistance. At morning 9:30 also you can see, and now at 10:50, 11 o'clock also, between that range also you can see it has taken resistance twice at this level. So it is going to be a very good level for us. Okay, yeah, so friends, the breakout which I spoke about, the levels which I had marked, it has perfectly taken a breakout at this level, and you can see that it was not good for us because it was continuous one-way movement. But nevertheless, we have to accept these kinds of movements on an expiry day, which is the month end as well as the expiry, year end as well. And this is what I'm talking about: the sudden spike and also the continuous one-sided movement. It really hurted me, pinched me, so my profits came down. So you can see now my profits have reduced back to 20,000, but nevertheless, I have not gone fully positive, because I can see that there is there is still Bank Nifty can still reverse. Okay, so I have not gone fully positive. Now again, since I already have call positions with me still remaining with me, I am again marking the range. So in case if Bank Nifty consolidates in this level, that is going to be 42,700 on the upper range, and in the lower range I have marked the super trend, that is 42,600. So this is a tight range again. If Bank Nifty continues in this range, I am going to trade non-directional, or otherwise again I have to become directional. Okay, now this is the situation as of now at 12:20, and you can see I have marked my levels. This is how we are going to trade. We'll just patiently wait for any of this range breakout. Yeah, okay. So now at 1 o'clock you can see perfectly the breakout has happened. This is what I was talking about. So at 1 o'clock I went completely bullish because Bank Nifty gave the perfect breakout. Whatever quantities which I had in the call side, I closed everything. So now you can see I am having only my put positions, and you can see I am in a decent profit of around 50,000 now, close to 53,000, and I am having only put positions. I have gone completely naked because I got the very good confirmation, very good breakout. Okay, so now time is close to 1:45 and you can see that Bank Nifty has continued to move in the breakout which we took. Okay, so we took the complete breakout at this level at 1 o'clock. After that, you can see there is no looking back. Bank Nifty has just gone up and up and up. So I had kept a target of 1% as always, as last video also told you, since it's going to be very crucial expiry. I kept a target of 1%. But seeing the way the movement, the one-sided movement happening, I started trailing my profits aggressively. So from 1 lakh, I started trailing very tightly, and I'll just show you how we kept on trailing and going up. Okay. So because of this one-sided movement, you can already see we are in a good profit of around 1,70,000 rupees, and I'm completely naked. I'm having only put options, no hedges, no call options, and I'm going to trail aggressively with the super trend. Okay, so I'm moving my levels to the super trend level. So in case if Bank Nifty reverses and comes back to the super trend level, I'm just going to close off my positions, wind off my positions. Okay, so you can see as of now we're in a decent profit of around 1,70,000, and yeah. So now time is close to 2:15, and I'm just aggressively moving my stop losses, and you can see that I have crossed 2 lakh profits for the day. Already I'm at 2 lakh 10,000 rupees profit, and now I can see a bit of market, trying to move sideways and trying to come back. And also I'm already in a profit of around 2 lakhs, and I wanted to make it very safe. I don't want to play a risky game today. We are close to 230, already 230, and after 230 we can expect higher spikes happening. It can be on the upper side as well, it will be supportive for us, or it can go down as well. It is not in our control. So time almost close to 230, I decided to close all my wind up all my positions, because already we are in a profit of around 2 lakh. And you can see Bank Nifty also is just trying to consolidate. It is not moving anyway up or down. It is just trying to consolidate, and once if it is consolidating, you can expect a breakdown happening upper side or the lower side. So then I decided to close all my positions, and then I book my profit at 2 lakhs, and that's how we took our trades for today. Yes, after that Bank Nifty went up, but then as I told you, it could have happened anyways. It could have, anyways, either down or up, and I tried to play a bit safe. My target was only 1 lakh, but then aggressively trailing it, I went up to 2 lakh. So it's a bonus for me, and also December is going very good for me, so I don't want to spoil the party, and also expiry, year-end expiry. Okay friends, so this is how I took my trade today, and this is how I did my analysis of my trades, my direction and all those things. And in case if you like the video, please press the like button, and if at all you want any support, any other doubts, any clarifications from my side, you can always WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.